TokyoCatch unboxing. I recently recorded a video for playing TokyoCatch, which I uploaded to TikTok and stuff, and I had shown some clips where I won some prizes in that, and they finally came in! So I'm very excited to do a little unboxing for them. If you're hearing noise from around, that's because I'm literally filming it at a convention, because I was already in cosplay and this was the nicest place to film it. Anyways, here is the package. So I'm excited to see what's in here. A giant Pochita is supposed to be in here, along with like figures, so I don't know how it will fit in here, but we'll find out. This came in about 2 weeks, I think. It was pretty fast. Also, the shipping was free because I think this was because it was my first time ordering through them. I did this like all completely through the website. I did go through the regular user checkout to get them and everything, which was actually a really easy experience. I don't know if I recorded part of that, but it was basically like I had selected my prizes, and then I went to their little checkout portal where it gave me their like address, everything like that, and it was pretty easy, and they came in, and they also did get stopped by customs, which is very exciting because I was worried about that because they did come directly from Japan, which is pretty cool. I guess that's where they are located. Okay, it's unboxed off camera, so now I can actually pull this open. Oh, cute! I guess you're filming the top view anyways.
Yeah.
Aww. Okay. Here is, I think this was like the 4th thing I won. This was the last thing I ended up winning, which was a cute little cinnamon roll plushie. It's so big. That's so cute. Kinda looks like Luffy's hat.
It does.
I think I won this in a like 3 or 5 tries maybe to get this guy, which isn't actually that bad. So I think this was like 3 or 5 attempts with the claw machine thing. This other one, this is kind of cute. It's Miku. Oh, it's also Cinnamon Roll Miku, because at the time that I was playing the Crane Machine website, they had a bunch of like not Cinnamon, but is it like Sanrio? They had a bunch of Sanrio collab stuff up there. So Cinnamon Roll Miku, very cute. She's real. She's also covered in cardboard after I ripped off the side. This one, I think this one I got in 1 attempt. That was it. I just played it once. I was very surprised. I'll probably play the clips of me winning these, because all the Crane machines were kind of different styles. This one was in one of the ones where you have to pick up a different plushie sort of thing to win this. But the Pochita and I think this little Sanrio guy in New York were you can see the actual item in the Crane machine. So I got this York figure, which I'm very excited about because I have a Lloyd already that's like a normal Lloyd in a normal outfit. So I thought these would match, which is very nice. I'll open her. Should I open her?
If you want.
To free her from the other box. Ah, this is so cute. Look at her.
Confined.
I'm most excited about this one. I love Spy Family. Okay, finally Pochita. I can free him. Here's what like I fought for the most. I think I spent like, I don't want to talk. I genuinely, I had like, I think I tried like 40 attempts to get this guy. I will show like I'll have a somewhere on the screen that will be me scrolling through my history of plays, so you could see just the like Pochita attempts, because this Crane machine was so difficult. I don't know like what happened, but it was him in like this ball form like this, and you gotta push him into the Crane machine down, and what happened is he wouldn't go down. but I had already spent so many attempts that I was like, I just have to keep going. Like, we're gonna acquire the Pochita. So now he's in this compressed state, and I feel like he's gonna expand a lot when I actually get him open. Such a compressed Pochita. Oh, he's kind of cute. He's getting like firmer. Cute. Oh, it's kind of fitting that I'm Resi today.
Yeah.
To unbox my Pochita. Look at him. This is actually a very cute stuffed thingy. It's very soft. Was he worth 40 attempts? Maybe not. Maybe I should have stopped after like 10. But I did acquire Pochita now, which is kind of exciting. But otherwise, these other guys pretty good. And they took significantly less attempts, so I'm very happy. This one though is a prized win. If you want to try playing the Crane Machine website, they did give me a code that gets you 5 free plays, and I did win one of these guys in 5 plays and one of them in 1 play. So I am pretty certain that you can win stuff even with that if you wanted to check it out and try it. The code is going to be somewhere on the screen because I do not remember what it is currently, and it'll also be in the description. I think I'll have a link and stuff so you guys can get to it. The Crane Machine place is called TokyoCatch. I'll have the links in my description or in my bio or wherever this is going to be uploaded. So I'll probably have videos on TikTok and YouTube that you can try it out. It's from the same people who do the Tokyo Treat boxes, if you've heard of those. So I think they're pretty cool. And yeah, good luck. Do not play 40 times in a row to try to win something. There are easier machines than this one on there. And that's everything I have. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you check out the TokyoCatch website. Use my code. Definitely try playing it. It was my first time playing an online crane machine, and it was pretty fun. It was actually very easy, and their website's pretty easy to use and everything. So I recommend